But families also say this report and lessons for law aren't enough. They want accountability. KVUE's Eric Pointer joins us now. Eric, we heard a bit from families before the report was made public, but now they say they're able to say more. What do they want to see next here?
Yvonne, many are still fighting for criminal charges against law enforcement. At the moment, Uvalde District Attorney Christina Mitchell has not yet said whether she will charge any of those responding officers, but we checked in with some legal experts to see what those charges could look like. According to a previous Supreme Court ruling, law enforcement is not legally required to protect people. But a former Bexar County District Attorney and current criminal defense attorney says that there could be a potential endangering a child or injury to a child charge because of the fact that they did not act. And a criminal law professor and former federal prosecutor says that federal authorities could bring charges for violating civil rights and negligent homicide is possible under Texas law. Regardless of which route they take, families of victims say that they want to see some sort of accountability.
If you cannot serve and protect the people, these were children. All they wanted to do was play. There's no reason this should have happened.
What else does she possibly need to prosecute or to remove these people from their positions of power when they can't even do their jobs?
Prosecutors would have to prove that some of the victims died because of law enforcement's lengthy response. The legal experts we spoke to said that it will be hard to make a criminal case, but a civil lawsuit might be successful. Families of survivors have filed a $27 billion class action lawsuit. It targets both law enforcement and the Uvalde School District. Yvonne?
Now, Eric, this report more than or about 600 pages or so, but if you look at some of the highlights and what they're really pointing out, failure to take courageous action on the part of police, but then failure to communicate with families. I can't even imagine my child being in that school and them not telling me what was going on. I mean, just the heartbreak to have to go through something like that.
Yes, and even the reports of miscommunication, right? Some people getting news that incorrect information going on.